Okay, let's move on to maths. In maths, we have number writing from 1 till 20. So in the beginning, the revision is being done, but in this phase, they are being introduced with ones and tens. From 1 till 9, they are being introduced with ones, and in the next one, they are being introduced from 10 and till 20. Okay, so obviously we do not have the counting beads at home, right? These are the counting beads that you can show if you have them at home, or if you have beads, or if you have a wool, you can do threading beads, and you can tell them to thread beads, 10 beads, and then moving on to 20 or 30 beads. You can do it easily. Or if you have a tasbih at home, for us Muslim we have tasbih, so you can tell them to count. Or if you don't have any of those, you can tell them to draw. First draw it for them, show them, and then they can learn what are tens and what are ones, how many are in tens and how many are there in ones. Okay, the counting of tens and ones on beads. Okay, quantity with picture and understanding. You can easily start with the first 5 quantity, never rush them in quantity. Okay, and you can easily take things at home with their toys, with the cutlery, anything that they are doing, they can easily count, and you can teach them what is quantity and how much each number carries. Okay, next is matching number. The same with English, they have to match the numbers, and matching numbers with quantity. Okay, so once they have understood from 1 till 5 how many for example balls are there in 5, so they can count with their fingers and they can trace. Okay, so in shapes, they have circle, square, triangle, rectangle, trapezium, and oval. Okay, these are the shapes that have been introduced to them. Don't force them to make these shapes. Okay, but if you are teaching them the shapes, you can easily make dots like this for each shape, and then you can tell them to trace. Yeah. Okay, the same way, complete the missing numbers. They have to complete, if the sequence is given to them, there'll be a blank given in between, and they have to fill that number. Okay, for example, if this is 1 and then this, so they have to fill the missing number like this. Okay, dictation, they should be familiar with the dictation. Okay, they should know what is 11, what is number 6, what is number 12, and how is it written. Okay, so independent writing from 1 till 20. Okay, with the understanding of ones and tens. Okay.